morning, guys. I just woke up. It's like almost 9 o'clock. It's Sunday and I've decided I'm going to film a what I eat in a day. And yeah, it's gonna be more of a vlog style one because I also have some other things I'm gonna get done today. So I will show you guys what I eat today. And I love these type of videos. They're so fun to watch, and especially because it's the new year. So I always start my day off with coffee, and then I did a splash of almond milk vanilla creamer from Whole Foods. I usually like the peppermint one, but I'm out, so I had to get the vanilla. I'm also catching up on my YouTube videos. Alright, so I'm about to make some breakfast. I'm gonna make some acai bowls. This is my favorite ones to use right here. It's organic and unsweetened. You can find this at Whole Foods in the freezer section. They come in these little packets. It's really convenient. And then I use some apple juice and then a couple frozen bananas. I top it with a granola, bee-free honey. This stuff is the best. It's made from apples and it's so good on it. And also I usually like to do fresh fruit, but I'm out right now because I hate it all. So until I go to the grocery store later today, I'm just gonna top it with some frozen fruit. This is just strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. But I usually like to do like fresh strawberries and mango, passion fruit. I also like to top it with cacao nibs. Those are really good, but I don't have any of those either. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm also going to put a few scoops of these probiotics. These have a ton of health benefits and they're really good for you. And you can't taste it, so I'm just going to toss some in. Alright, this is literally the perfect consistency. It's like thick and perfect. That's how you want it. And yes, I'm in my fuzzy robe. Don't judge. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It looks so much better when you have fresh fruit and other fruits other than frozen fruit. But we're just gonna go eat this real quick for breakfast. Alright, we just got ready to go out. It is literally so cold outside right now. I've got my big IMG jacket on. Gotta go to Lululemon and get my leggings hemmed because they're just way too long for me. So that's what we're gonna go do and grab some lunch. So I'll show you guys what we eat. This looks so good. We got salads for lunch, and it looks bomb. Okay, so it is chicken, pickled onions, an avocado, some type of dressing, tortilla chips, black beans, kale, and cheese, and cauliflower rice. And this is so freaking good. I went and got a cold brew coffee. It's just an iced cold brew with toffee nut. And I meant to get almond milk in it, but totally slipped my mind. All right, I just got back from Whole Foods, so I'm gonna unload all of this stuff and make some dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna cook yet, but I'm gonna whip something up. Got a lot of things for the week. Okay, I'm about to have a snack. I have some organic garlic hummus with some cucumber, and I'm also gonna have some of these sea salt and lime tortilla chips. They're really good, and I love hummus. I've got my robe on. My hair's a mess, so please excuse it. It's like 17 degrees outside right now. I am so freaking cold. I'm ready for warm weather so I can lay out and get a nice tan, because this is just not working. It's just not working for me. All right, so I've got dinner ready. I have coconut rice. I have some roasted broccoli and some roasted peppers. I also have a pan-fried honey chicken, which is this. It is so freaking good. And then I've got a salad with some olive oil and hummus on top. It looks so bomb. I cannot wait to eat this. All right, so we just got done eating dinner, and now we're gonna have some dessert. We've got oatmeal cookie, oat to milk ice cream. And I've never had this one before, but I've had like the coffee creamer of the oatmeal cookie by this brand, and it was really good, so.
Oh yeah.
We'll see how it is. I told you that when we bought it!
No, I remember you saying it was the same brand, but I didn't, like, it was that. It was the oatmeal cookie.
Yeah, it was this one, so.
Okay, that stuff was so good. I swear to God, I drank it, like actually drank it.
It was so
from
good.
the container. It tasted like cinnamon milk.
It was so good.
But oat. Yeah, it was so delicious. Guess I picked my mom.
Really? It was so delicious? Did you say that on purpose?
I didn't.
You didn't? Why won't it focus? All right, anywho, I'll let you guys know if it's good. Okay, so that is what I ate for today. I'm about to go get ready for bed, and I'm exhausted. It's like 10:30. We watched The Office and kind of dozed off. So I'm gonna go to bed now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to stay stellar. Bye.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.